At West Virginia Rifle, there's been a legacy of success for decades. 14 times WVU has won the NCAA Championship, the best in the nation. Plus, they've finished in the top 3 in the last 3 NCAA championships. The Mountaineers are the 3-time defending GARC champions. Coach John Hammond has produced 35 NRA All-Americans in his 6-year tenure at West Virginia. There is indeed a legacy of success at West Virginia Rifle. Greatness has come and gone before you. It's now time to be a part of that greatness and bring home West Virginia's 15th NCAA championship.